Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a wonderful word. The word is amazing. Amazing means something is very, very good. It makes us feel happy and surprised. When we see something amazing, we say, wow. Amazing things are special. Look around you. There are many amazing things in the world. A rainbow in the sky is amazing. It has many beautiful colors. A big waterfall is amazing. The water falls down with great power. Colorful flowers are amazing too. They smell nice and look pretty. People can be amazing. When a child helps someone, that is amazing. When an athlete wins a race, that is amazing. When a scientist discovers something new, that is amazing. Amazing people do great things. Animals are amazing too. A colorful bird with bright feathers is amazing. A cheetah runs very fast. That is amazing. A dolphin jumps and plays in the water. That is amazing. Animals can do things that surprise us. How do amazing things make us feel? They make us feel happy. They make us feel excited. They make us feel surprised. They make us feel strong. Amazing things give us good feelings. Not everything is amazing. Some things are just normal or boring. A plain grey wall is not amazing. An empty sky with no colors is not amazing. But a bright sunset with red and orange colors is amazing. A sky full of fireworks is amazing. Can you see the difference? When do we say amazing? We say amazing when we see a big rainbow after the rain. We say amazing when someone helps us with a problem. We say amazing when we learn something new at school. We say amazing when we do something great, like riding a bike for the first time. Now, can you find amazing things? Look at different pictures. A cute puppy is amazing. A messy room is not amazing. A beautiful flower is amazing. A broken toy is not amazing. You can find amazing things everywhere if you look carefully. Amazing is a good word. Use it when you see something special. Use it when someone does something great. Amazing makes people feel happy. When you say, that is amazing, you make others smile. Thank you for learning with us today. Remember to look for amazing things every day. Keep learning new words with Wordscience. See you next time. Goodbye.